to take a few minutes to talk to you about dust shoe options. You may have noticed that now we've got a total of 3 different dust shoes that are available for your YoraHome machine. And there is some overlap on those. So I wanted to take a minute to talk to you about which ones fit which machines and what the best option will be for your machine. So the first one that we came out with is our 3-in-1 dust shoe. That's this dust shoe right here, the smallest one we have. This is designed to be used with either our 3018 or our mandrel machines. It comes with pre-attached hose and a clamp that is designed to fit our 52mm spindle motors that are found on the mandrel, or there is also an adapter with hardware that allows it to fit the 775 class motor that is found on the 3018. This adapter then just snaps in place and you have a dust shoe that fits your 3018 as well. This dust shoe comes with the mounting hardware for this motor adapter. It does come with spacers so you can adjust the height depending upon the length of your bit, and then your brush assembly as well. Now please note, you do have to use at least one of the spacers with this, because you can see from the construction of this brush assembly, it will close off this opening for the vacuum hose. So you have to have at least one spacer ring that drops in there to allow for the air passage to route your wood shavings and chips away. So as I noted, this one, 3018, is the only option you have, or you can use it with the mandrel. In a pinch, it will work on the silverback or even on our new cross river, but only if you are planning to use just the small 500 watt 52mm diameter spindle. For those that want to go up to the Makita routers, which is shown here in the cross river, that's with a 65mm base. That's where our 2-in-1 dust shoe comes in. This has a 65mm opening, as well as an eccentric ring that allows it to fit with the smaller 52mm diameter spindle as well. So this one, you would just snap in there like that to run with the stock spindle. Take the adapter out. It will now fit directly onto the Makita for your use there. So if you're wanting to run your silverback or even your cross river, if your plan with the cross river is only to use the stock spindle or a Makita router, this dust shoe will work for you. We just came out with a third option. Now this one is only going to be available to work with the larger spindle sizes. This will not work with the 52mm spindles. But this one, much larger opening, we are now up to an 80mm diameter spindle. That's going to work with our soon to be released water-cooled spindles that are VFD controlled. So this will slide right onto that. It also comes with the eccentric adapters. We've got in both now 65 and 69mm sizes. The 65mm to work with the Makita, or a 69mm that will work with the DeWalt routers that are readily available. This dust shoe does not come with a hose. It is designed to fit standard 2.5-inch shop vac type hose. Has a couple extra pieces with it. Instead of just a spacer to allow for our airflow, we have this aerodynamically shaped spacer. Snaps on like that. We still include 2 additional spacers, a 1/2-inch and a 3/8-inch thick one, to allow for longer bits. And then you still have your brush assembly. So if we had our adapter in here for the Makita router, this dust shoe assembly will fit on the cross river. Probably would have been a lot better if I had tried to put this on with the router readily available, but this will fit the Makita or without the spacer, that new spindle coming up. As always, if you have any questions, you can always reach us at support@yorahome.com. We'd be more than happy to help you with any questions. If you ever need replacement hoses, replacement brushes, please let us know. We do have those available for you as well. Any questions or concerns, please reach out to us. Thanks, and have a great evening.
Jungle.